Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at how the second half of 2021 is going to unfold for you. So for the months of July to December 2021, these predictions are applicable to you. Do bear in mind that these predictions are based on your moon sign. For example, if your moon is in Aries, then predictions for Aries will apply to you. Predictions can vary if different ascendants, such as the Lagna in the D1 or the Sun ascendant, are considered. If you wish to know more about your chart or get a personalized reading, karmic report, Vastu readings, or any other guidance related to astrology, feel free to reach out to us. The channels mentioned here and in the description. With that, let us begin our journey through the 12 ascendants. Aries probably has one of the best situations right now, as Saturn is its own sign in your 10th house, benefiting you with career growth and progress. You might get fame and recognition in this period, along with a long overdue promotion. There is no panoti for you right now, although you might face some financial hurdles. However, this period can also bless you with a spiritual growth. So do try and meditate or consult a guru for this area. For the stable and earthly Taurus, the need of the hour is to find adventure that appeals to your rational mind. This is the period to try out that new thing you've been putting off for a while. Take a trip, try out a new business idea or a new relationship. The trick is to escape mundane routines in this time. Saturn can also bless you with a larger professional network in this period due to its third aspect on the 11th house. Also practice self-healing and self-care as the 6th house also receives Saturn's impact. Gemini faces a minor Saturn panoti in this period. As Saturn moves in the 8th house, you are sure to face struggles, albeit transformative, in this period. Even with more efforts, you will seem to attract lesser results. But do not be fooled. Saturn will store away the good karma of this period in the hidden 8th house and bless you with an appropriate dasha period in the future. As you struggle with daily frustration, do remember to tap into Saturn's internal perseverant nature to battle this period. For Cancer, this is the ideal time to manifest your deepest desires out in the world. Moon in its own sign confers manifestation abilities, which are now bolstered by a direct aspect from Saturn. This will also provide financial happiness and a possible real estate benefit. You might also have significant dreams in this time period and might be able to manifest desires through them, which have been latent since a while. As Saturn is an intense enemy to the Sun, Leo's strength directly is reduced in this time period. This directly affects your confidence and your self worth. Despite not undergoing a panoti in this period, you will face a delay in success, especially more prominently in the professional arena, where you might face problems with a well deserved promotion or problems with your superiors. You need to focus on building your own self worth and fight for the same to benefit in this period. Virgos will face a lot of travel and adventure in this period. More importantly, you are quite likely to find a loved one or be able to rejuvenate old relationships in this period, as Saturn sits in the 5th house and aspects the 7th house. Your fate is also slated to improve as Saturn occupies a trine. The strongest indications for this period are to let your inner voice guide you, especially in matters of the heart. For the inner stability and balance of Libra, this period will bring tumultuous change. Saturn sits in the 4th and aspects the 6th house, inviting legal disputes and litigation matters. Be prepared to face betrayals in this time as Saturn wishes for you to understand the futility of too much trust. Choose your fights wisely and do not engage in them recklessly. Like Libra, Scorpios also need to be wary of close relationships. This is the time when innately reserved and reclusive Scorpios need to find a way into the spotlight. Saturn wants you to explore the extroverted aspects of life without getting attached to people and be faithful only to change. You're also slated to find some disappointment in matters of the heart as Saturn aspects the 5th house. Sagittarians have a blessed period ahead as Saturn occupies the 2nd house and Earth house and blesses you with career and financial success. You can also find success with spiritual endeavors as Saturn aspects the 8th house and delivers transformative, disciplined results. Be prepared to care for your health. This is one of the signs which is reaping great results from the Panoti. Capricorns have a major Saturn Panoti ongoing, which you might already be facing since the last year. Since Saturn's transit in Capricorn, your struggles have only increased. And till Saturn's further transit in Aquarius, these troubles are bound to stay. Your own mind will play tricks on you, coercing you into giving up halfway without results. But you need to learn from Leos and hold on to your confidence in reaping results after a hard day's work. Saturn, your moon's dispositor, will delay results, but not deny the results of your karma which you perform in this period. Another sign of Saturn's rulership, Aquarians are slated to face intense karmic unloading in this period. With Rahu in the 4th house and Saturn in the 12th, this is the period for you to face pent up karmas and enjoy or suffer the consequences. You might face notoriety in this period as Rahu brings unwanted attention to you. During this time, remember Krishna's teachings, fulfill your karma and do not expect quick results. You will need to take responsibility for tough decisions ahead. Lastly, Pisces with Saturn in the 11th is sure to reap rewards financially, but at a slower pace. This is the ideal time to explore and find hobbies you can enjoy, as Saturn's next transit in Aquarius will bring forth your panoply. Saturn in a good position in your natal chart can also indicate windfall gains, so be on the lookout for sudden opportunities. If you like this analysis and wish to get a complete chart analysis or engage us for spiritual services such as karmic reports, aura reading, vastu analysis, gemstone therapy, etc., feel free to reach out to us at this contact information. We would also love to hear your thoughts and views about this video or our channel. Do reach out to us. Share the video if you find it relevant and subscribe for more such astrological and spiritual content. May the divine light bless you.